Welcome to Swamp Bites, presented by Tico Peoples Gas. I'm Hillary Ake, sports performance dietitian here at the University of Florida. Today I'm going to walk you through a healthy and delicious recipe while cooking with natural gas. Today we're going to be making spaghetti squash casserole. We're going to use spaghetti squash to substitute for pasta, as we're always trying to incorporate more vegetables into our athletes' diets. Cut the squash in half and then carve out the seeds. There are a lot of different ways that you can cook spaghetti squash. Last year, one of my swimmers taught me that you can add a tiny bit of water and bake it in the oven, which turns out to be one of the easiest options. For our spaghetti squash dish, I'm going to brown lean ground turkey over the stovetop. I love cooking with gas because I can see the flame for greater cooking control. Scrape the baked squash over the ground turkey and then add sauce. I've used a pesto sauce today. You can use a more traditional marinara sauce or olive oil with some Italian spices. Pesto just happens to be a favorite of our athletes. For full details on this recipe and more information on how you can use natural gas at your next tailgate, in your home, or at your business, visit peoplesgas.com/cooking.